Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today this is going to be real simple and quick and all that stuff. Back in July I made this a meatloaf and we cut it in half and put this half in the freezer. And so now I'm going to show you what to do with it. And with this meatloaf we're going to have this Reese's, I guess that's the way you say it, RESER'S Main Street Bristow baked scallop potatoes, and these came from Costco's and everybody just swears by them, so we're going to throw some of those in the microwave over here and see how they turn out. But to start with, we're going to fix this meatloaf up here. Now I had it in a freezer bag, which I don't use freezer bags anymore, but I had it in a freezer bag and then we wrapped it in saran wrap first, protected as much as we could. And now we're going to put it down in this pan right here. Just like this. Let me clean my hands. I'm going to take a piece of this Reynolds Wrap heavy duty here. Pull out about like that. I want to cover it real well. More. So just like this. Now we'll set on this little trivet or rack or whatever you want to call it. It came with the FOODi DELUXE here. So I'm going to set it in there like that. Push it on down. Now it's laying flat in there. And now the next thing we'll do, I'll go around a cup and a half of water here. And we'll pour down in this FOODi. Now if this was open I would put beef broth or something like that in it, but since it's sealed up like that I'm just going to put water. And then we'll take the little rack here and set right down in here. Just like that. That's a perfect fit. If I'm not mistaken I'll let you know for sure at the end, but I'm pretty sure it's a 9-inch aluminum pan there. Now the next thing we're going to do is get the pressure lid here and put on top. Line your arrows up here in front and it just falls down into place. Turn it clockwise till it stops. Make sure you put your valve back here to seal and not vent. Okay, and then you come up here and we're going to put it on over on pressure. You'll see the little indicator light up over here for pressure. And then we're going to, it's on high. And so we're going to leave it on high. So the time is set at 10. So we're going to change that. So you're going to hit the time over here. And your numbers will start flashing. We're going to run it up to 30 minutes. Okay, and there it is. Now we're going to hit the start button here. And there it goes. Now, as you know, it's going to take it for a while for those little lights to chase each other around like that to catch up. And so, we'll be back when they do. Okay, and it's getting ready to pop that little valve up there and pressurize it. And there it went. Now that was super fast. That was only about 7 minutes from the time I hit that start button, the time that button popped up. Now we'll come back over here and see how long it takes for the little lights to chase each other around some more. Okay, and that took less than 2 minutes to start that. Now it's counting down from the 30 minutes, so 30 minutes we'll be ready to eat some dinner. And while y'all waiting that 30 minutes, how about giving us a thumbs up and joining our channel? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching our videos. It means a lot to us. And if you get a chance, check out our links down below. Sometimes you have something good down there from Amazon you can get. So we'll be back in about another 29.5 minutes. Okay, now we're down under 5 seconds here to go on this pressure cook. So as soon as it finishes, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the quick release back here, and we'll see how long it takes it to let the pressure off. Okay, that's just about stopped. I can't even hear anything else coming out of that little vent there, and the button just now popped down. And so this is finished. Now, like I always say, when you open this lid, turn it counterclockwise, turn it away from your face, and turn it upside down, just like this. You got all that water in there rolling around. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is try to get it out of this Ninja FOODi here. We get it just like this, and set it down right here on these 2 pot holders. Now I've got these little mitts on, and we'll pick it up. It's got water on top of it, and we'll pick it up and dump this water off. Okay, I know y'all are not going to believe this, but I stuck a thermometer down in there. And believe it or not, it doesn't even register. It's still cold as ice. So I put another cup of water in here, and then we'll put it back down to this Ninja FOODi and let it go for a while longer. Well, yeah, I'm going to turn on the power. Now it comes on, because I got the pressure top on it, it comes on to pressure over here. And I got it on high, and I'm going to let it go for another 30 minutes. This thing might turn out to be shoe leather when I'm through it. You hit your little time button here so it flashes. Right up to 30 minutes, and then we'll hit the start button. Okay, now we're down under 10 seconds again. If this thing is not done this time, we're going to regroup and have something bologna sandwich for dinner. So now it's kind of down to 0 again. Let's go ahead and hit the release. Okay, now it's been going for a little bit over, for about 2.5 minutes here. It sounds like it's about ready to drop. And there it went, 3 minutes and 6 seconds. So, just like before, counterclockwise, away from your face, upside down, over to the sink. Turn it a little bit so I can get a hold of it better. Right back over here to the pot holder with it. And set it down just like this. And just like before, I'm going to pick it up and dump this water off of it. Now, I'll take this last piece off, put on there. I got a little hole there where I stuck that thermometer in it a while ago. I'm going to try it again. Oh yeah, that looks much better right there now. It's up to about 170, so that's right. Now, next thing I'm going to do is try to get this aluminum foil off this, off the top of it here. Cover it up with this ketchup here. Put a liberal amount on. Just like that. Now let me get my brush and spread it out just a little bit. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take and empty this water out of this Ninja FOODi, because if you want something to crisp up, you need to dump the water out before you start on it. Okay, now we'll set it right back down into FOODi Deluxe. Keeping in mind this pot is hot and it will burn you if you touch it. Back over here and turn the power back on. And we'll put it over here on air crisp. And we'll take that 20 minutes. It's set on 390. It goes to 390 by default, and we'll leave it there. Going to hit that time button, and we'll move it down to 15 minutes, and we'll hit the start button. And there it goes. Now in the meantime, back to these baked scallop potatoes I got here. And I can't hardly believe the cook time on these either. It says about 8 minutes in your microwave. I don't know. These things are frozen hard as a rock too, just like that meatloaf was. So it says take the cover off and take the film off. Okay, now we'll put in my LG Smart Inverter microwave here. Just like this, if I can get it unstuck. Shut the door. Now the instructions say to cook between 7 and 8 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put it on 8 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. And we'll keep eye on that and see how it goes. Right now it's going around and around. So we'll be back. Okay, now we're down to about 1 second. That says done. We're going to take a look at it here real quick. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Let me get you where I can see a little better. Oh yeah, that looks ready to go. Now the next thing we're going to do is, without hurting ourselves, is get it out of here and set it back over on the spot holders. Okay, now this is extremely hot, so pay attention to it. Now I'm going to try to get it out of this and set it over here on this plate. Now it's coming out after the boss told me how to do it. Set right over there. That looks pretty good. Okay, finally, it took a little bit longer than what we'd planned on, but it's finally ready here. Oh yeah, see that? All them stuff inside it there. Some of these scallop potatoes here. Over here on Chay's plate. Now that looks like a good meal, don't it? It took a little bit longer than what I thought it was going to, but that looks pretty good right there. Now I'll fix my plate. Okay, you notice we both like the ends. But really, the way this is cooked, all of it's good like that. But anyway, instead of, when you make your meatloaf up, instead of making too much where you can't eat it and throwing it out or something like that, go ahead and divide it and freeze part of it and come back and fix it. Now, a little salt and pepper, and a fork. Well, that meatloaf is as good as that first one was. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed my little video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you come back and see us real soon. If you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And Till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And put you some stuff back in the freezer when you're making it and get it out and fix it. You save a lot of money and time that way. So, or I say to save a lot of time. I don't know, this took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. But at least it was all ready to go. And we didn't waste any the first time. So the next time, goodbye now.